Hi, I'm going to explain the process for making kombucha. It's really pretty simple, and I've got all the things we need just laid out here on the table. So what you do first is, I've been using Newman's Own. It's black tea, organic black tea. It comes in 100, so I've been using this box for years. And I've got 7 tea bags currently steeping for about 3 to 5 minutes in here. It's just come to the point where it's finished. So I have stirred 1 cup of sugar, cane sugar, in with my tea. It's been boiling, or it's been heating up for 3 to 5 minutes, and by now the sugar is all dissolved in the tea. So the next thing that I need to do is just wait and let my tea cool, because if you put hot tea into your SCOBY, you'll kill your SCOBY. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we've just let the tea cool. It's cool to the touch. It's not even a little bit warm now. So go ahead and wait till the tea is completely warm. And I always leave some of the previous batch in with my SCOBY. If you want to look inside, the SCOBY's in there. That's what actually eats the sugar, and that's what makes the kombucha. That's the important part. So you can either make your own SCOBY or you can get one from a friend. But the next item is you just pour your tea into your existing kombucha. Probably do it in the sink because it's not an exacting science. And that works just perfect for this little kombucha maker. And I get just the right amount. So the thing that needs to happen now, and the thing that's special about a kombucha maker versus just a jar, is that it has a lid on it that breathes. It needs to be able to get oxygen to it. So you can either use a jar with a piece of paper towel over the top. It's just important that it needs to be able to get oxygen, and it can't be a sealed jar. And then I bring it over and I leave it in a closet, because it actually brews the best in the dark and at room temperature. So now it's going to sit up there for probably about 2 weeks. And between about 2 weeks and 3 weeks, I start tasting it, and I just keep tasting it until I like the way it tastes. You know, it gets more and more tart over time. And then once you've got it the way you want it, let me just grab this. I put it in a glass jar, or a glass container, and put it in the fridge. And when it stays in the fridge, it stays the way it is. It doesn't continue to ferment. So that'll stop the turning process, you know. And that's all there is to it.